Mama wakwaba wofreme adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Not the issue. And that is precisely the point I have been making for some time now. Many MPP for near them, they won't fail or won't fail. And family.
Now, some come with and can this one come when you
good. Yen ye pester ye ba power. Bien she share near the to aquem. The Ghana over my. That's the point the General Secretary is making. That even if we get the power and we come and do the same things. Now, you cannot buy. And that's the point we have been making. That's the point Rollins was making. That's the point we have been making. If we want power, we must come with a credible policy. We must come with policies, workable plans. We must manage our communication. We must manage our things well. That's the point we are making. And then, Kwete has come to dedicate Anyidoho and Anyidoho abe Dani MPP. Wabe Mindani MPP. Just say ye binomono. No krenu dahwa ye beka. Party no. I said don't get no more say party no. Na ye binomu ye engineer ye nine so anka. Maka, otine bi amako be beside question.
Yo. Offer Koku.
I said don't get ya. No to me the Rollins attempt the Rollins kramaya opu. I said don't get ya. Ingeni Ghana.
Sabepe.
Osi konedu ono apam konedu prepare ni na konedu person saba baka. Onto application number no. And then my pamwe, and then my pamwe, and a party need. But he can't be bothered because he's benefiting from it.
Yo.
He likes it this way. So as national chairman, that is the frustration that he has saddled the party with. And so the General Secretary, what can one any? What can any? The national chairman, who party, there's someone body, but secretary any mirror. Well, for me, the NDC, we have a lot of work to do. This election, are going to be very crucial election. Your candidate, where the president pay, or something too. The challenge is that for only 4 years, I call baby before tag. Now me call in common what tag no monte try MPP4 kuma say but obi a oba we did it and also about for 4 years up to now on country that was the conversation. So the point we are making is that Ghanaians are very discerning. It's not because MPP4 or how na be so automatically by your side. We must make the party attractive. We must give the policies. We must convince the people the reason why they must vote for our candidate again. And that's the work we have to do. But otherwise, hey, yeah. And then, almost rest almost but we didn't say Ghana, Ebebo, Yabetwaba. At the end of the day, you'll be winning. Ghana will not die. Ghana will not die. Ghana will live. And so for me, that is my position.
Yo. Offer Koku, Anyidoho, Ebeda was say an opinion at Chinchema with their bread for. I mean, shop.
I said, Modia, and Uncle Ponshamo.
That's it. Yo, Yenya Koku, Anyidoho, Chichimu, na Odia Brayeno. Or see General Secretary no are frustrated because in Sambia ACC no and some now frono and some no froze out o kasa o hwechi or see kasa kan ni na General Secretary at ho former General Secretary and or national chairman Yura Johnson Esidun Ketia aka General Mosquito not Obi enti some no wa kasa ntwi ai in 70 be indirect a bin so direct inti ne afifi kwete kan no say e se bia foforo no ma ame no na man kasa asa no inti o mehwe no masisi on party ai koda radio so na wutia no pay me so ba so na wa share na walake na wunye bi so enya bi etie program ni din di chirichirimu nti asemo esi a wanti ni you no na eje ya metre konwam a na mede mu chirichirimu abrew yewura Koku Anyidoho ka so kan nyina ye chirichirimu a ode
ya me mutimu ode me pe John Mahama. And Anyidoho is one of the people who has deliberately created this impression. Koku Anyidoho MP Mahama Koku Anyidoho because on no the other politics. The catch party for no Koku Anyidoho MP Mahama now omodo me bring na to go Koku Anyidoho so. It is me Anyidoho kitiaka na me ye bonibia. Eli mbame so. And that's the politics he has been playing. That is the politics that he enjoys. It's one kind of that. Me philosophy is sebi NDC no. Sebi do no. Then they will focus on those ones and they will not come for the substantive issue.
Wow.
That is a philosophy. Even party school, President Mills, Professor Wuno, and na omudi idea you buy it young create party school. Fa entity emma your party ma. Oyibi inche ha ukubisa ya ojan boati jana ya boati jambe kachira. Ye tosase kesi bi to say you be see party school and who dormitories and who hostel conference center to create a proper structure to train our party people. As Deputy General Secretary, I was very instrumental.
Wow.
And the party school no way. And the party school no way. Assassin and Casano, you bet me about assassin who contact Debbie.
Party school now come be suyan.
Oh, your party no. They far by. About Ghana's political history, the NDC's history itself, governance, party communication, constitutional matters. Politics are here, so to give the party cadres and the party soldiers proper training, and next time they say will be a radio, maybe now, TV, maybe not, you see me for Kasama NDC. One shot because the it's a one side the pacha attempt we are not communicating policies.
Okay.
Sebe. Ya boy about to former president. What in a kujano super? Yes, I want to know super. What in a kujano super? Una osie. 24-hour economy. Now the 24-hour economy so now far it's a trebani fa young friendly asem anase funding komo. Yenkoti school korani teacher for akowia exam wintina